It's about a box. Yes, I have a box. Now, are you ready for an unboxing?
Hi, my name is Bam Bam Bam!
Hi, my name is iRock, and you're watching my YouTube channel, iRock RC. Alright! Aloha, everyone! Hi, I'm iRock. And yes, this is my YouTube channel, iRock RC. And yes, I do have a box. I have a box. I must have said yes like so many times. Yes, this will be an unboxing. Would you folks like to take a guess what's in the box? First thing first, the trusty razor. Remember folks, when handling sharp objects or razors, please be careful and do not injure yourself or cut yourself. And for those who are under the age of 18, please get your parents' permission. Now let's go do this unboxing. Before I do this unboxing, I just wanted to let you folks know where I got this box from. It came all the way from North Miami Beach, Florida. Anyone out there from North Miami Beach or Florida? Give yourself a pat on the back. Yes, a pat on the back. Well, give you all of you, just give yourself a pat on the back. Because you all deserve a pat on the back. To be more serious, no, pat on the back, you deserve a pat on the back. Pat on the back, pat on the back, pat on the back. I got this box from Range Video. www.rangevideo.com. If you haven't checked out Range Video, I recommend you do. They have cool quadcopter, RC racing drone, motors, ESCs, FPV cameras, FPV equipment, miscellaneous accessories, you name it. They have pretty cool stuff. So go check them out. I'll put a link in the description below, and so that way you can check out Range Video. But let's go do this unboxing. First thing first, invoice. And then I have me is a Lumineer QAV 180 /210 carbon fiber vibration dampening camera plate for your GoPro or Mobius run cam, and hopefully a Sony action cam. So here it is, pretty cool. Yes, it's from my QAV 210 Charpu build series codename Batro. If you haven't checked it out, please do. It's pretty cool. Are you ready for the grand finale? Can I get a drum roll, please? Thank you, drum roll. And now for the grand finale, I got me HeadPlay head-mounted display. Or another picture of the side of the box. The other side, and I suppose this is the back side of the box. Up close of the specification of the HeadPlay. Press pause. Okay, unpause. So basically what HeadPlay is FPV goggles. So we don't care what's outside the box. We want to know what's in the box. So let's go take a look what's in the box. So I'm assuming this is the charger, wall charger, 12 volt. That was wrong. Well, anyway, that's correct. So your international connector, depends on what part of the country you're from. Another one. And looks like you're folks living in the United States. and then your wall charger. Pretty interesting. Get the USA version. You just align the holes and kablamo. You can now charge your LiPo battery. And yes, it comes with a LiPo battery. Similar to the Fat Shark goggles, FPV goggles, if you're familiar with the Fat Sharks. Pretty much looks like the same design. So LiPo Power Pack FPV store wholesale. It's a 2-cell, 7.4 volts, 100 milliamps. I don't know what the C burst is. I don't think it really matters. Ah yes, I do have it. So no, you don't have the C burst. It just has a charge rate 2C, 2.0 amps. So that is the LiPo battery and the wall charger. And then we have, it's like the audio video connector, audio video connector. And we have is the 5.8 gigahertz antenna. Looks like we have phones. And then looks like a extra screen protector. Magnifier. Oh wow, you guys look big now. Oh, check that. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hey, how about this side? Why, Rock, your nose has grown. Nanu. Enough with that silliness. So I guess this is if you want if you want a bigger picture. This is it right here. You can magnify the picture. And then we have is the instruction manual. Pretty much shows your bands, size of your lens, and blah blah blah. So, remember folks, before operating your HeadPlay, please read the instruction manual. And now we have is the HeadPlay. Yes, I got the white color or the white version. So like casing is all foam with polycarbonate brace, I think. Okay, so let's take this out. So pretty much here's your head strap. People call this, so from what I've read, it's pretty much a GoPro strap, head strap. So here's your connector. And here's for your 5.8 gigahertz antenna. It should pretty much just screw on like this. And then, not too sure if folks can see in there, but you can see the display. Most people say it's about the size of an iPad mini, the screen. So basically, just make the casing, put an iPad mini right inside. This so, yes, I know you folks are interested in me putting it on. So let's put it on. Aha! Check that bad boy out. Whew. Yeah, who turned off the lights? Who turned off the lights? Very cool. It's pretty comfy, not too bad. I can see why you wouldn't want to put on the foams. So kind of gives it that you know, exact fit. Oh man, this is pretty nuts. This is pretty cool. Yeah. So that is the HeadPlay. Yeah, pretty interesting. That is my new FPV goggles. As you folks know, I'm pretty much into quad racing, racing drones, quadcopter, and especially in the FPV world, first person view. I have my Fast Shark goggles, and then now I have my HeadPlay FPV goggles. So it's going to be pretty cool, pretty interesting in 2016. I just need to learn how to fly first. Pretty cool. So yes, I have several quadcopter builds that I'm doing. Right now I'm showcasing Bat Drone, and then I have another quadcopter build in the future. And I also have a hexacopter racing drone build. I'm not too sure if I'm going to do a build series, but actually I'm almost finished with the hexacopter racing drone build. I just need to get the camera and the transmitter to work. For some reason, I have a difficult time. I think I shorted it out, so I need new ones. So that was a quick unboxing and first look at the HeadPlay. Hope you folks enjoyed this video. Like always, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Yes, without you folks, there would be no iRockRC. I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. So, to my next video, guys, take care and God bless, and aloha! Shaka! And I'm out.
Hi, my name is Bam Bam Bam.